Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Glow Naturally. We all dream of having soft and silky hair that can be easily managed, and in this quest, we often end up spending a fortune on costly hair treatments at hair spas. Fortunately, we can achieve this without breaking the bank by making natural shampoo for hair right from the comfort of our homes. Homemade shampoos might not sound exciting, but they will give same results as expensive shampoos, and that too without making a hole in your pocket or ruining your mane with harmful chemicals. The homemade shampoos are both cost effective and super friendly for your hair and scalp. With excellent benefits and amazing results it provides, homemade shampoo is genuinely the way to go when it comes to hair care and management. The benefits are that you can use all natural ingredients and it's definitely amazing. Avoid all of the fillers and irritants commercial makers use. Scent it any way you want and moisturize and customize it to suit your hair's needs. What more do I need to say? I love my homemade shampoo. It smells great and leaves my hair feeling light and soft. Keep watching the video till end to learn step by step of how to make your own shampoo at home for different hair types. Basic natural recipe for all hair types. This shampoo is great for all types of normal hair. Shampoo ingredients: 1/4 cup distilled water, 1/4 cup liquid castle soap. Those who are not aware about castle soap, castile soap is an amazingly versatile vegetable based soap that's made free of animal fats and synthetic ingredients. This natural non-toxic biodegradable soap is available in bar or liquid form. These oils give the soap its lathering, moisturizing and cleansing properties. What's the difference between castile soap and regular soap? Castile soap is just like regular soap except a whole lot more eco-friendly. Instead of being made from lard, tallow or other animal fats, it is made from vegetable oils. Traditionally olive oil and is considered a vegan soap. I use unscented, but you can choose your favorite. If you don't want to use castile soap, then wait till end as we'll be sharing the recipe of shampoo also without using castile soap. Moreover, if you want me to make a video on the homemade DIY castile soap for you guys, then do let me know in the comment section. Next ingredient is half teaspoon jojoba, grapeseed or other light vegetable oil. Flip cap bottles or foaming bottles to dispense. Mix all ingredients, then store it in a bottle. Use as you would do with any shampoo, then rinse well. Next type is moisturizing shampoo recipe for dry and frizzy hair. This shampoo is best for dry hair. Moisturizing shampoo ingredients: 1/4 cup of distilled water, 1/4 cup liquid castle soap, your favorite scent one you can choose, 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon glycerin, 1/4 teaspoon of avocado oil or jojoba oil or almond oil. And definitely you will be needing flip cap bottles or foaming bottles to dispense. Mix all the ingredients with the help of blender, store in a bottle and always shake well before using. Apply to hair and allow to sit for a few minutes. Rinse well with cool water. The natural healing properties of aloe vera make this shampoo the best to cope with dry and frizzy hair. Dandruff shampoo recipe. Dandruff can affect people in every age group. Dandruff can manifest as either very dry and flaky scalp or very oily scalp with flakes. Contrary to popular belief, dandruff is not caused by a dry scalp or from other improper hair care. It can be caused by increased oil production, hormonal fluctuations, stress and illness. To banish a flaky scalp, try this DIY shampoo. 1/4 cup of distilled water, 1/4 cup castile soap, 1/2 teaspoon jojoba grapeseed or other light vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons apple juice, 6 finely grounded cloves. Flip cap bottles or foaming bottles to dispense. In a small grinder or blender, mix all the ingredients on low for 30 seconds. Now wet the hair with warm water and shampoo the mixture into the hair well. Rinse with warm water, cover and refrigerate leftovers, discard after 3 days. Shine shampoo recipe, fragrant and lively. Try this shampoo recipe to add shine to your hair. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of distilled water, 1/4 cup liquid castile soap, 2 tablespoon dried rosemary, 2 tablespoon of sweet almond oil, 1/4 tablespoon of lemon essential oil. Flip cap bottles or foaming bottles to dispense. Boil distilled water, add rosemary and steep until fragrant. Strain leaves and let it cool. Mix all the ingredients and add to water and stir well. Now store it in a bottle, and then you can use as you would do with any shampoo. And definitely after using it, rinse it well. Homemade natural shampoo for oily hair. Though this shampoo may seem simple in composition, it is incredibly effective against oily and sticky hair. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 10 drops of almond oil, 1 cup of distilled water. Boil. If you don't have distilled water, then you can use tap water also by boiling it and cooling it. 2 drops of lemon juice, 5 drops of essential oils like eucalyptus, lavender, tea tree or peppermint. How to make? Take the distilled water in a bowl or container, add baking soda to it and stir it well. Add oil of your choice to it and keep stirring. Finally, add the lemon juice to it. Keep this mix in a pump bottle and store it in a cool and dry place where it is not affected by direct sunlight. Next shampoo is homemade shampoo for hair growth and minimizing hair loss. Rice water shampoo. Rice water is enriched with inositol, a carbohydrate that enhances the elasticity of hair and reduces hair breakage, which leads to hair loss. Hair and scalp pH levels are also balanced, and rice water therefore promotes hair growth. Ingredients: 1 bowl of uncooked rice, few drops of lavender essential oil and then water. How to make? Using water, rinse the rice thoroughly to remove any impurities or dirt. Place rice in a clean bowl and add water till it's completely immersed. Soaking it for 30 minutes, knead it lightly so that minerals are transferred to the water, making the water cloudy. Add a couple of lavender essential oil to impart a pleasant scent. Strain the rice water and store it in a bottle for easy use. Shampoo for dullness and lifeless hair. Rita Shikakai Natural Shampoo. Shikakai has been used for ages as a hair cleanser and when translated means fruit for hair. When combined with Rita, it imparts a natural shine to the body while cleaning the then most naturally. Hair feels a lot smoother and the volume of hair increases. Ingredients: 10 grams of Rita, 10 grams of Shikakai, 5 pieces of amla, 750 milliliter of water. How to make? In a pan, take all the ingredients and pour water over them. Allow it to soak overnight or about 8 hours. Heat this concoction till it boils, reduces the flame and let it simmer for the next 10 to 15 minutes. If the mixture seems thick, add water. Let the mixture cool and crush the Shikakai, Rita or Amla. Strain this mixture and pour it in a bottle like the shampoo, and then use this mixture as the shampoo. Don't make it too much, just make it small quantity. Homemade shampoo to prevent split ends. Take a few tablespoons of baking soda in an empty container with a lid and top it off with hot water. Shake the mixture well. After a few minutes, apply 1/4 cup of the mixture to wet hair. Work it through the length of your hair using fingers. Follow this with half cup of apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice or 2 cups of water. Work it through your wet hair and rinse with cool water. This homemade cleanser will leave your hair clean and shiny while taming split ends. Soothe shampoo recipe. Chamomile makes this shampoo a calming treat. Chamomile also has natural lightening properties, so combine this with lemon juice if you want to lighten your hair. 1 cup of ingredients: 1 cup of distilled water, 1 cup castile soap, 6 chamomile tea bags, 1.5 cup of teaspoon of glycerin. Flip cap bottles or foaming bottles to dispense. Steep the tea bags off in 1 cup of boiling water for 20 minutes. Remove the tea bags and discard. Add castile soap of the tea. Stir in glycerin until when well blended. Keep in a dark, cool place in a sealed bottle. Now the final part is castile free soap. So the ingredients: 1 can full for fat coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, 1 tablespoon castor oil, 2 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon essential oils of your choice. Direction: combine all the ingredients, whisk until smooth, shake well before each use. Now your castile soap free DIY shampoo is ready to use. Now coming to the important question. What will be the shelf life for homemade shampoo? It's advisable not to make these homemade shampoos in bulk quantities. This homemade natural shampoo, as it's chemical and preservative free, so it will not be having more shelf life like the market brought regular shampoos. But still you can store excess amount in the freezer to preserve it for 3 to 4 days. The colder temperature of the freezer will prevent growth of bacteria and fungi. How can I make my shampoo thicker? You will definitely be having this question in your mind. How the shampoo will be like thicker, like just like the market bought one. Most people perceive thick shampoo as richer shampoo and hence want to thicken their homemade shampoo to resemble store shampoo. There are many thickening agents like xanthan gum, guar and cellulose gum which can make your shampoo thicker. These agents form a kind of gel and are available where bakery products are sold. The use of cornstarch is also known to thicken the shampoo base. So here it is all about homemade natural shampoos which you can easily made at your home by whatever process has been told to you in the video. Please follow that and do not try to make it in a bulk quantities. Just try to make in small quantities and use it. So this is for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do like, share and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos.